Hello Year 9, this PowerPoint is just going to take you through the options available to you with your pathways choices in the Humanities subjects, and the Humanities subjects are GCSE Geography and GCSE History. Geography and History have both proven to be popular choices for students moving to study GCSEs at De Ferrers, and a number of students will actually choose both Geography and History together. If you've got any questions about the courses, you may want to choose to speak to the Director of Learning for Humanities, Ms Barlow, or the Key Stage 4 Leader for Humanities, which is myself, Mr Staples. If you follow the GCSE Geography course, you'll be looking at the AQA specification, and those students who continue for History at GCSE level will be studying the Edexcel specification. The course content for GCSE Geography offers students the opportunity to look at many different aspects of geographical work. This includes physical geography, human geography, and environmental geography. Students get an opportunity to travel the world from their classroom, exploring case studies which will look at the UK, higher income countries, newly emerging economies, and lower income countries. A broad range of topics are covered that include climate change, poverty, deprivation, global shifts in economic power, and the challenge of sustainable resource use. Students are going to be encouraged to understand their role in society by considering different viewpoints, values, and attitudes. Students who choose GCSE Geography at De Ferrers will be examined in the summer term of Year 11, and there are 3 exam papers in total. Paper 1 looks at physical geography and has a focus on living with the physical environment, and that contributes 35% of the overall course grade. The second paper is another 35%, and this is human geography, looking at urban issues and challenges. The remaining 30% of the course is a final exam paper, and that's paper 3 that looks at fieldwork skills. If you've got any particular questions about any of those exams, the question types that might appear, or the specific content that you'll be expected to know for paper 1, paper 2, or paper 3, please feel free to speak to any one of the geography team here at De Ferrers. GCSE History is a popular pathways subject choice here at De Ferrers. It's a subject which brings the past into the present, and it places the events which shape the world today into a broader context. The study of history also gives you an opportunity to gain a wide range of skills which are attractive to employers in the 21st century. In terms of course content, we study topics that look at British history, European history, and world history. Students who take GCSE History at De Ferrers will look at 4 units across Year 10 and Year 11, and these are examined with 3 exam papers in the summer term of Year 11. Paper 1 is worth 30% of the overall mark, and that's a look at medicine in Britain, and also includes an historic environment study which looks at the trenches on the Western Front in the First World War. Paper 2 actually looks at 2 units which are Anglo-Saxon and Norman England and the American West, and finally paper 3 looks at Weimar and Nazi Germany. If you want to get a better idea of what any of the 4 units or the 3 exam papers entail, please speak to myself or any of the history staff at De Ferrers, and we'll be more than pleased to help. There are many reasons why you should study GCSE Geography here at De Ferrers. The study of geography can help you to develop a knowledge and understanding of current events from the local area through to the global. It allows you to investigate the Earth and its peoples. It allows you to study the features of the Earth, such as mountains, rivers, and seas, and how they were formed. It also allows you to develop a range of useful skills such as map reading, data collection, ICT, and problem solving. And students who study geography have pursued varied careers which range from finance to architecture, marketing, and research, all the way through to law. Geography is a diverse subject which allows you to keep your career option choices as you move forward into Year 10 and beyond. There are many reasons to study history as a pathway subject choice here at De Ferrers. Studying history can help you to develop a wide range of written and verbal communication skills which are necessary to be successful in many different occupations and jobs, and as a consequence of this, history is highly regarded by many employers. In addition, history is always seen as a subject which is a good choice for those students who want to keep their options open as they work their way through their education, giving you a broad range of skills. History can also be seen as a subject which is a very useful qualification for many higher education and career choices. Students who followed history courses here at De Ferrers have pursued many different career paths. This is including law, teaching, archaeology, the armed forces, and accountancy. This PowerPoint has given you a broad overview of both GCSE Geography and GCSE History at De Ferrers. If you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to speak to myself, Mr Staples, or any one of the Humanities team here at De Ferrers, and we'll be more than willing to help you. Thank you.